What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Art the Clown as Santa from the Terrifier 3. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, draw the inside edge of the brow. Now we leave a gap in the center. Starting on the left, we're going to bend this in and then up towards the top. Let's line at the bottom on the right side and do the same thing. Now from the bottom, we're just going to curve the eyelid going up and then out. On the end, we're going to draw a half circle coming down towards the bottom of the eye. Just pull that back up on the inside point. From the top of the eyelid, we're going to step in. It's going to curve the eye coming all the way around and then down towards the bottom. And then in the center, draw two small black dots for the pupils. Let's fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now I'm going to add two small points across the top of the eyes. We're going to go up and then down, and then fill that in black. We'll add a small point across the bottom of each eye. Now along the side, I'm just going to bend the nose, coming in and then down, leaving a gap in the center. And I'll round out the tip of the nose, and add a small black dot on the end. Let's move back up and add a curve for the bridge of the nose. Now from the side of the nose, let's bend the mouth, going out and then up toward the cheeks. And then from the left side, we're going to bend the mouth, coming down, round this out, and then go back up on the right. Let's add a fold across the corners of the mouth, going out and then down. Now I want to add a thick black mark across the top of the lip. We're going to start on the left, then it's down and in towards the nose, up on the right, and we'll fill the top area in black. Now I want to do the same thing across the bottom. Starting on the corner of the mouth, we're going to step in, follow the curve of the mouth, going all the way around, and then back up, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now let's add in those jagged teeth. Starting from the nose, come down, and then up toward the left, and then right side. We'll continue to add these pointed teeth going out towards the side of the mouth. Now that we've completed the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out. Let's curve this down, bend that in underneath the lip, go across, and then back up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side. We're going to curve the hat. We're going to go up above the eyes, go across, and then back down on the right side. Now from the hat, we're going to draw in the eyebrows. We bend this in and then down. From the corner of the head, we're going to draw the hat brim. Just going to bend this out and then back in towards the side. And we'll follow that same curve going across the top of the hat brim, across, and then down. Now I want to flop the hat over towards the right side. So we're going to start on the left side, bend this up, and then in towards the middle of the head. Go to the right, we're going to add a fold, going up, and then pull that in a little bit lower in the center. Let's go back up to the top and bend the hat, going out, bring it down towards the side of the head. Now add a circle on the end. Now from here, we're just going to step in, draw the bottom of the hat going in underneath. Now I want to tuck the hair in underneath the hat. Starting on the left side, I'm going to draw a wave, going around, and then down towards the bottom of the hair. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add in the beard. Starting on the left, wave this down, across the middle, then back up on the right side. Now let's go back to the left side. We're just going to tuck this up underneath the beard, and then do the same thing on the right. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Right where the beard meets the hair, it's going to bend the body going out and then down towards the hips on both sides. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Move up and draw another curve for the top of the belt. Now when you leave a gap in the center, go to the left side underneath the beard, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Now the rectangle across the bottom is the buckle, so we just want to trace that along the inside. Let's go back to the hips. Just going to curve this around and in. And then curve the bottom coming across and then back up. Let's go back to the center, step down, add a curve going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. So we're going to start on the left side, coming down and up. Go back to the left side, we're going to curve the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. You want to leave a gap on the inside. Now when you go back up to the hips and draw the outside leg. From this point, bend this out and then down on top of the feet. And then we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom. Let's take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. For the top of the foot, we're going to step up, curve this down and up for the edge of the boot. Step up again and add another curve with a trim. Now we're going to move up towards the side of the body and draw in the arms. Let's start on the left. Curve this out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb. Bend this up and then in towards the wrist. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom of the thumb, let's draw the first finger. We're going to come down and then up. On the side, add the second finger, going all the way around. And then the third finger, go up and then in underneath the hair. Now let's separate the top of each finger with a curve, starting from the outside and working our way in toward the thumb. And then from the top of the thumb, let's add the cuff. We're going to bend this up and then out. Step up and draw that again. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's Art the Clown and Santa from the Terrifier 3. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.